let's go into RCL Foods. Now, this one is one of those that has been doing a lot of work on its balance sheet and on its asset register. RCL used to stand for Rainbow Chicken Limited, long been a part of the Remgro group, but in 2013 it merged with some businesses under the brand bulk name Foodcorp that brought them Nola mayonnaise and a bunch of other bread and related pie businesses. It has subsequently also done a merger with TSB, which was another asset inside of the Remgro group that was involved with sugar. But it is still the major player in South African chicken, Farmer Brown and the likes, big supplier to all of the chicken fast food stores like KFC and Nando's and the likes. Big company, dominated by Remgro, which I think we'll find out in a minute from Gerbrand what their stake is, but it's northwards of 80%. 15 billion rands worth of market cap, so the largest in the space. Price to earnings ratio 14.2, dividend yield 2.3. So Gerbrand, just fill me in there if there's anything I've left out about the corporate path and like where the earnings come from, contribution from sugar versus chicken and so on and so forth.
This is a more diverse group than that we're looking at against some of the other peers. As you said, Remgro owns, I think, 77.8 or close to 78% of the shareholding the last time I checked. He got about 30% from Foodcorp, I think. About 30% from the chicken business.
And am I right? So Foodcorp is more sort of downstream stuff. Peanut butter, dog food, all of that kind of stuff.
Yeah, there's the Oma biscuits and there's the Nola mayonnaise and there's some, I think, Braai Pap in there and there's a few other ones in there. So they're actually going to reclassify it, I think, from next year. But until this later sets of numbers, they were categorized from Foodcorp, Rainbow Chicken, TSB Sugar and Vector Logistics, but I think they're going to change it to more consumer.
Yes, because a few other Tiger and so on. Okay, but I interrupted you. So you were saying, like, what is 30%?
I think 30% is chickens, and then about 37% is Foodcorp.
Yep.
And then we're sitting with, I think, 25% sugar and about 10% on the logistics side.
Which is Vector,
Which is Vector. So all these things on their own are doing okay. We know that the sugar markets were depressed.
Well, there's the share price while you're talking. Just give us some insight there. So a lot of restructuring, a lot of additional shares in issue, a lot of debt reorganization, bit of a confused market picture and a stock price going sort of sideways.
Yeah, I think until recently with the later sets of numbers, it was very confusing because this thing had a negative P and making losses of all the reorganization and the rights issues, etc. But at the moment, that's a revenue picture and the EBITDA picture looks basically the same on those. And we also know that the Rainbow side has been doing well, but Foodcorp has been depressed. A lot of competition on that front.
Okay.
They're trying to sort that out going forward. And then sugar has also been very difficult.
What's going on with the sugar price?
Well, it's going up now, but I think it turned at about 11.50 US, and it's now at 14.20 or something. So the last month it picked up, but certainly it looked like all the other commodities 50% down over the last 2 years.
Okay, but I know you like this one, right? So explain to us why you think it's a bargain at the current price level.
Yeah, look, it got about a 14p valuation, and if you take this against the Tiger brands and the Pioneer Foods, etc., Pioneer Foods are trading at a 40 P ratio, AVI is trading north of 20, and Tiger brands I think is trading at 17, 18, which got their own Nigerian problems. But so I think you're getting this company at a decent multiple in an expensive market.
Right.
And it's better diversified than most of the other ones that we're going to discuss. So we like this. And we think sugar will be a bolster for the next year. These guys are also not as highly concentrated on what the weather does because they got all these sprinkler systems and stuff on their sugar. So it's not weather related so much TSB as Ilova and Tongard will be. But we like it.
Okay, so you're going hot on this one.
I'm going to go hot. We're holding this as well in our portfolio.
Excellent. Now, we did buy this one in the hot stocks portfolio, but in fact, after the results came out, which led to a little bit of a share price slide, we thought, well, look, we can do a little bit better. So I'm going to go with not hot, just on account of that recent decision, just to be on the clarity there.